Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an antonym quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. What is the antonym of except? The correct option is C. Reject. Question 2. What is the antonym of benefit? The correct option is D. Harm. Question 3. What is the antonym of expand? The correct option is B. Compress. Question 4. What is the antonym of include? The correct option is D. Exclude. Question 5. What is the antonym of allow? The correct option is A. Forbid. Question 6. What is the antonym of unity? The correct option is D. Division. Question 7. What is the antonym of encourage? The correct option is C. Discourage. Question 8. What is the antonym of obey? The correct option is B. Disobey. Question 9. What is the antonym of permanent? The correct option is A. Temporary. Question 10. What is the antonym of fair? The correct option is B. Unjust. Question 11. What is the antonym of complex? The correct option is D. Simple. Question 12. What is the antonym of polite? The correct option is A. Rude. Question 13. What is the antonym of guilty? The correct option is B. Innocent. Question 14. What is the antonym of visible? The correct option is C. Invisible. Question 15. What is the antonym of optimistic? The correct option is A. Pessimistic. Question 16. What is the antonym of victory? The correct option is C. Defeat. Question 17. What is the antonym of freedom? The correct option is D. Captivity. Question 18. What is the antonym of rise? The correct option is B. Fall. Question 19. What is the antonym of admit? The correct option is B. Deny. Question 20. What is the antonym of scarce? The correct option is C. Plentiful. Question 21. What is the antonym of justice? The correct option is D. Injustice. Question 22. What is the antonym of expand? The correct option is A. Shrink. Question 23. What is the antonym of bravery? The correct option is C. Cowardice. Question 24. What is the antonym of victory? The correct option is B. Surrender. Question 25. What is the antonym of acceptable? The correct option is B. Unacceptable. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.